And our Gurudev, he gives a meaning in his tika on this word Govinda. He says that this word Govinda, that Rupa Goswami, he gives some advice. Rupa Goswami advises one Sakhi. Hey Sakhi, I want to give you some advice. If you go to the Yamuna on this night under the Rasa Purnima, Sharad Purnima, and you see that boy, Govinda, standing under the moonlight by the Vamshiva tree, playing his flute, and when you see that beautiful, most attractive and satisfying form of Krishna, then I'm warning you that you'll give up all your attachment to friendship, society, and love. You'll never want to take part anymore in material friendships or your material relations or your society or love, mundane material loves. So I'm warning you, Sakhi, don't go there. So actually this warning was actually an encouragement because he's so attractive and he's so blissful and so charming and beautiful and intimate and kind and blissful that when you go there, you should go there. But I'm warning you, be careful, because if you do go there, you'll get captured. Aparita. Aparita atmana. Aparita means you become stolen by that Govinda. And that's what often happens. And my Gurudev goes on to bring his explanation of his tika or commentary on the word Govinda. He said, he brings it down to us and he says, this is the test. This is the test of advancement in Krishna consciousness. This is the test of advancement in love of God. Or you can say self-realization. And in Bhakti Yoga, self-realization means to realize that we're the eternal loving servants of the eternally beloved Lord Krishna. Or it can be Ram, Bhakti also. So he says, if you're, this is the test. The gopis have passed the test. And this word Govinda, Rupa Goswami is saying, this is a test of spiritual advancement. Because if we lose our interest in material activities, in physical enjoyment and sense gratification, then we can know that we become attracted to Krishna. That is the proof that we have become attracted to Krishna. And because, as Rupa Goswami warns that gopi, I warn you, if you go there, you may lose all your attraction and attachment to your personal sense gratification and your family, society, and what you consider to be love. Because you'll find a new society, a new friendship, and new love in the eternal association of Krishna. This is the message of the word Govinda.